Because most of our diets naman when it comes to nutrition really involves a lot of eggs in the diet. And what I also appreciate about McDonald's doing these kinds of events, especially during National Breakfast Day, let's go back to that. It's like a reminder of things that we tend to take for granted in our daily lives. No, especially ngayon lang din nagdodon sa akin. At tama nga naman, parang since yun kasi yung parang common stigma na pag meron ng mas staple dyan na nandyan na siya for the longest time, hindi na natin siya nabibigyan ng importance.
Oh, yeah.
And right now, we're highlighting eggs. So, like what I've mentioned with my interview a while ago, this is a reminder for us that, eggs makes a lot of difference in our everyday life. Hindi lang natin to nabibigyan ng importance or hindi lang natin siya na-highlight kasi nga, lagi siyang nandyan. Parang sa tao. Uy! But events like this makes us realize na parang, most especially, let's focus on eggs right now. Dami niyang nagagawa sa ating benefits. May it be for nutrition, may it be for mood, may it be for anything that you want to put meaning into eggs. Kung anong nagagawa niya sa buhay natin. And right now, it's somehow a celebration. That's why we celebrate the World Egg Day today. Is to thank the eggs in general. Thank you for not for anything else.
For the everything.
We're thanking the eggs, diba? For the benefits we get from it, diba? For health or for even brightening up or starting our day. So yun yung ginagawa lagi ni McDonald's is to highlight morning things like this. And we're very much proud of it, and we're very much proud to be ambassadors of it because we tend to make people realize na let's not take small things for granted in general. This is a highlight. This is a moment to be remembered, and hopefully we get to do this every year, na to commemorate and celebrate something that's always been there na hindi lang natin napapansin most of the time.
Ang ganda.
Ako ulit. Sige, ko naman.
Kaya talaga.
So ako po, ang nararamdaman ko po talaga is ang saya to be part of this kind of family na naging household name na, 'di ba? Parang dito nagbo-birthday palagi. Tapos ngayon I get to celebrate this special day with my friends, 'di ba? With my good friends, my co-ambassadors. So ang saya lang and to finally be part of this kind of family na Thank you! And now, I get to celebrate this day also with our friends, not just from the press, also my fans, my supporters, a lot of people today. And, andun sila sa lugar. Ayun, Barbinatics, let's go! Ayan, yes, gumising sila ng maaga. Oo. So, ayan, masaya kasi di ba, marunong na rin si Mami. Yes! Di ba yung kanya? Ang dami mo sinasabi. Sabi ko. Ayan, very, very happy and grateful to McDonald's for entrusting me and David to be part of the family. Thank you so much.
Yes, Chef. Hello. Chef Barbie and I are really grateful na nabigyan kami ng opportunity para maging ambassadors ng McDonald's. Alam naman natin na ang McDonald's ay napakatagal na, di ba? And I remember pinanood ko pa yung movie, yung founder, kung paano nagsimula yung McDonald's. And so, yun yung story ng founder talaga. So, di ba? Grabe yung tindahan niya. So, yun, and to be part of it, sobrang nakakatuwa. And ngayon na nasa World Egg Day tayo, sabi nga ni Alden, dapat hindi natin na-take for granted yung mga ganitong celebrations. Right? So, yeah, I'm very much grateful.
Yes. Happy World Egg Day! Alright, for this time, let's prepare you guys. Masalaman natin. Let's go. Our media is our friends. Or actually, our friends.